In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image in Elementor. In order to do that, first head over to elementor.com. You can create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option right here, or you can also log in by clicking onto this login option that we can see right there. Now, from in this case, I actually have in here already my actual Elementor website, and in order to crop an image, let's first head over and add one. Let's click onto this plus icon right here and you can see image under the basic. Just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. Now we have in here this. You can already change the image resolution. As for right now it's on large. Let's make it medium only and it will change the resolution from there. Head over and click onto this choose image from this. You can choose from your media library or you can also upload new files if you would want. In my case, I'll head over and then just choose from my media library right here and add this. Click on the select. And as you can see, I have selected this. Now, if you want to crop it, head over and then click on that image. Now, in here, you can actually edit it if you would want by going over right here to your style. And you can change its width, alignment, and border radius. You can also get the advanced option and change its actual layout. Like for example, let's just change right here the padding. You can also change the width. And also you can change it according to your liking for the order, CSS, display attributes. You can expand the transform option right here and you can see rotate, offset, scale, and length. Let's click onto the scale and put in here the scale that you wish for this. You can expand it just like that. And as you can see, it's essentially like cropping it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.